Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we are going to Falkland Park and where to go in Aizawl.
Falkland Park is a newly set up recreation center located at the outskirts of Aizawl at a place called Falkland Veng. It is open from 1 to 8 during the weekdays and 11 to 8 on Saturdays and holidays. The entry ticket is Rs 50 per head, which could be redeemed at various stations inside the center. The center offers various kinds of activities which includes go-kart, futsal, laser tag and a movie theater. It also has a cafe inside called the Warehouse Cafe where you can go satiate your hunger. The outdoor space provides an ample place for children's playground and go-karting area on the site. If you take a few steps uphill, you will find another open space with a beautiful backdrop of the city and a futsal playground on the side.
Nessa, chelo. Ready?